Auto saving your password in the Google Chrome is a very simple thing to do, and in this video I will guide you how you guys can do it completely easily. So what you guys have to actually do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, share the video, comment under the video, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So go to your Google Chrome and click on the three dots on the top right corner, and once you click that, simply browse it down and you will see that setting option. In the setting option, what you have to do is to go to the autofill and the passwords on the left hand side. Simply go ahead and click on that, and in it, just go ahead and click on Google Password Manager. So in the Google Password Manager, simply go ahead and click on the settings, and in the setting, make sure that you toggle this option on which says offer to save password and passkeys. So what it will do exactly, so whenever you log into your account on any sort of website with any sort of credentials you have, it will offer you to save the password in the Google Chrome so you don't have to remember it for a longer period. So by toggling it on, you will be able to save the passwords in the Google Chrome automatically. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.